This place not my place.
Yep. Everything in it belongs to you.
Ha! Jesus! Jesus!
Okay,
Jesus! Jesus! My friend.
Yes.
Copper.
My name is not Copper.
Hey! My friend. You say, Copper. Eh?
Busy.
Eh?
I'm done pretending.
Hey.
I love you. I have feelings for you.
Come on, me, I love you too. Oh, which kind of thing be this one? Let me get this place like this, Copper.
It's your place, Busy.
Hey.
And I want you to marry me.
Copper, I agree.
Busy, you don't have to know that. I'm the one proposing.
I beg.
Listen, I'm the one proposing.
Make I like that.
No.
I beg. Copper, no, the kind of thing don't do for me like this. So.
Omo, when you see an odogwu, you go know. Odogwu no dey hide at all. See as my girl just dey shout. See, you give me this kind shop, see they propose. Just take my hand, make you use am do whatever you want. See me, obey me, you don't finish me. Na so my girl come dey hug her. Say, I wan lick you up, make you self carry me, they go house. Chai. Omo, this movie is everything and more. If you never watch am, I wonder wetin you go do. Make I play the video, make you self watch before I continue. Rush to YouTube now. Believe me, you no go regret am.
It belongs to you.
This whole place, like
everything in it. It's a surprise.
Go ahead. Jesus.
Okay, don't forget that I'm also your husband to be.
No problem, man.
So how much for everything?
Everything I 1.5.
Right. Okay. Okay.
I said 1.5. You see the?
You know what? Just take everything. Keep the change. This is me saying thank you for the other day for the water. Yeah.
Copper, this money plenty you. It plenty now.
Yeah.
Okay, if you say keep am, thank you.
I've been saying thank you to you.
I said I don't define you since ma for say thank you. You know the plenty Copper people wey don dey come here since that day when you go. I say for this life, good make person dey good do. May God help me bless you. Yeah.
Amen.
May help me bless you.
Yes, thank you.
I see they tell them make they come plenty. See now I say you see this life, e good. Just they do good, they go. You don't know the day where that good go come back. You see this my shop like this, Now one woman know why I just help. Now she give me money why I take do this shop like this. And the thing be say self, with me like this, now kindness. Now then they call me. If I tell you the way my papa and mama they give me this kindness, you self, that's so you go they laugh. But not so life day. E good to the day good.
Okay, that's
no
nice.
problem. I know say you don't tire for my talk.
No,
Now
I mean, it's okay.
my boyfriend is the time he say to talk. But waiting I go when you dey place like this now to the talk they make money now you dey. But God go bless you.
Amen.
God go bless you. I see the plenty money where you give me.
Yeah, I mean
this one like this, even if I not say again today, do me.
Okay.
God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen. Thank you.
Thank you. My break don't they finish. I have people.
Hi.
My friend. How you doing?
I'm good. How are
my
you?
talk friend. I know. This is when you come. I make you come here talk.
What can I say? I guess it helps to take my mind off life issues.
It's good though. The one way they this life is too much. So if you see anything we say, if you dey go, at least come out your mind from all those things. Make your body just dey cooler. It's good. It's good. Where? What will be the talk again yesterday?
Oh, you were telling me about your brother.
Yes, Okpe. You don't they call me since school fees don't reach to pay. He won't follow a mate, make sure say write exam. I say calm down now, the money never there. I never hear word. I say they talk that one to make you see as life while I day. Landlord don't come they knock, say money no day, make I pay am for a house. Economy bad. We see they talk that one, no, this Olori Buruku association people, they don't come. The man every time they let me hear what you go long shop, you go do this. So when money day, I get a man no giver. The one are too much. Now you make as you day like this now, it still be government picking. They see they give you, they save you. I they tell you, I don't see things. Just they save 1,000, small money like that. Before you know, it go help you. Yeah.
Thanks for the advice.
Yeah. Or even if you want, you get one isusu man, why no? You go they come any day we come any money at all where you get 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, you go just they give and small before you know like this. As the year they finish, when they go give you your money like this, you go they reach 100 and something.
My country people, see as Sonia Uche just dey advise Maurice for this movie. You thinking say na copper? She no sabi say this guy na one billionaire wey just dey disguise because say she needed her help. This movie is everything and more. We all know say Maurice and Sonia Uche sabi this movie of 18, like this film business. This particular one, this particular movie, you go enjoy am. Like, it's so intriguing, so educative. Hey, I watched this movie, I say no, you need to watch it.